Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to use style replacement in kitchen cabinet function. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already built my kitchen cabinet. Alright, so in order to change our door style, our material, usually we would right click and then select the materials, door panels, the handles, and of course, we need to click on the top bar to install our cornice and also the skirting. But instead right now, we can immediately change everything by utilizing the style replacement function. So you may click on the style replacement function. So first thing you do is to select all space. So over here, you are able to change everything one shot. Alright, so as you can see, the first one is your cabinet material. Alright, and of course your door panels. Alright, you can change the door style, you can change the door panel, the door materials, and of course if you would like to install your handles, you can install your handles as well. Right? Not to mention your drawer type, and of course the same thing as your material and your handle of your drawer. Okay, so if you would like to change your countertop material, you may change over here as well. And the last thing is your cornice and your skirting material. Alright, so we start by changing the cabinet material first. So click onto the square box and then select the texture. Alright, so first one I would use this, a wood grain. So as you can see, immediately they change the material for us. And then next thing you want to do is, maybe I would like to change the door style. So I would like to change to this, and then we can click on choose. Right, so immediately the swing doors are all changed. Okay, so of course if you want to change your material, you may click onto the material. So I'm going to use back the same color as my cabinet. Right, so if let's say you have a handle, you may change the handle style. Right, so moving on to the drawer. Okay, so same thing, if you want to change the drawer type, you can just click and select a new type of drawer. Right, so for example, I select this. Okay, and then I change the material as well. Alright, and of course, if you have a handle already installed, you can always click and change the type of handles. Right, so next, moving on to the tabletop material, which is your countertop. Right, so you can click, and over here, for example, I choose the marble. Right, so you may just click and choose. Right, and the last thing, which is the cornice and also the skirting. Alright, once it's done, you may close the style replacement. Alright, and there you have it. So this is how to use the style replacement in kitchen cabinet function. Good luck trying, guys.